Yesterday, counties were allowed to open up their vaccines to phase 3. That means educators statewide are now eligible to get the vaccine. Phase 3 will then open to other frontline essential workers on March the 10th. And so what we want to do is we want to talk about how do teachers make appointments, and how do you make an appointment if you are not an educator but you're still in group 1 or group 2. So we're going to take a closer look here at the processes, and we're going to start with Guilford County Health and also with Cone Health. So let's first start with that. The Guilford County Health Department has said it is handling all teacher vaccinations, and GCS teachers have been contacted on how to schedule those shots. For the next 2 weeks, this is key, Cone Health is handling vaccinations for all other eligible people 65 and up. So anyone interested in a Cone Health vaccination should request an appointment at conehealth.com/vaccine. Cone Health will then contact people as those appointments open, and you'll make your appointment at either the Greensboro Coliseum or at the new mass vaccination site in Burlington. Now, if you don't have internet access, there is a phone number. It is 890-1188, and you see it on the screen there. I got to tell you though, this number is not an appointment scheduling number. It is only for people who need help because they cannot get online. All right, teachers or others, if you originally had an appointment with the county over the next 2 weeks, we want you to know that you need to keep your appointment time and your location time. The only thing that really has changed is that a Cone Health professional is going to give you your vaccine. So some Cone Health doses are also being distributed through mobile clinics to help ensure equitable distribution. Those appointments are made through partner institutions like North Carolina A&T. Now let's shift to Forsyth County. When it comes to vaccinating teachers and school staff, Wake Forest Baptist, Novant Health, and the Forsyth County Health Department are working together to vaccinate educators. The Winston-Salem Forsyth County School System and the county private schools will schedule those vaccinations for you, which will happen at either the fairgrounds or the Haynes Mall vaccination site. I want you to listen to this. If you are not an educator, but you still need to make a vaccine appointment in Forsyth County, you can. If you're a Wake Forest Baptist patient who's 65 or older, you can schedule an appointment online through your My Wake Health account. You can also make an appointment by calling the number that you see on the screen. It is 336-70-COVID. Now hear this, do you need to be a Wake Forest Baptist patient to make an appointment? Wake Forest Baptist Health asks people to be as flexible as possible about the location of your vaccine appointment. Now we're going to switch over to Novant Health. If you are 65 and up, you have a few options to make an appointment. You can go to getvaccinated.org. There you're going to see either schedule an appointment or pre-register so that you get notified when appointments are then made available. You can also schedule through your MyChart account. Now, if you don't have internet access or you need help with scheduling, you can call the number that is on the screen right now, 855-NH-VAC4U. And I'm going to read it off one more time, but I got to tell you, we're going to put it on our website as well, just so you know. It is 855-648-2248. Now, you do not have to be a Novant Health patient to get your shot through Novant Health. I know that's a whole lot of information, but we want to make sure that you have lots and lots of information. One more thing, all three health systems agree. If you are already on a wait list somewhere, but you've already gotten your shot, what you need to do is you need to take yourself off the other waiting list because you're taking up a space that could be used for someone else who needs it. So if you are on a waiting list and you already got your shot, make sure you take yourself off. All right, we want to make sure that you can ask your questions to the doctors. Any kind of COVID-19 question, you can text the doctors your question. The number is on your screen. The number is 336-379-5775, and we will ask those questions when we come back.